Hey guys, welcome to question FM221 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a transition matrix T and a state matrix S2 are defined as follows. And then we're given these two matrices. We're then told if S2 is equal to T times S1, the state matrix S1 is what? Now, the first thing I'm going to do in this working out is flip these two around so that we have our T times S1 on the left-hand side being equal to S2 on the right-hand side. This may make this a little bit more familiar for some of you, noticing that we've got a square matrix times a vertical matrix, and that will be equal to what we assume is another vertical matrix. So we're going to be doing a little bit of rearranging using matrices, which means our first step here, if we want to get S1 on its own, we've got to remove or at least rearrange so that this transition matrix is gone from the left-hand side, or gone from being around our first state matrix, our initial state matrix. In order to do that, we're going to bring in its inverse. So we're going to have T negative 1 times T times S1 is equal to T negative 1 of S2. Now, of course, when we bring in the inverse of this transition matrix and multiply it with the original transition matrix, that's going to create an identity matrix, which effectively is how we get rid of matrices in this rearrangement. So these guys cancel each other out, and we're left with S1 is equal to the inverse of the transition matrix times our second state matrix. So if you were to put into your calculator, this would be equal to 0.9, 0.10, 0.35, 0.6, 0.05, 0.4, 0.2, 0.4. Our transition matrix to the power of negative 1 times 161, 112, and 47. If you plug that all into your calculator, you would get an answer that reads 80, 140, 100. Meaning that the answer to this question is option D. If you guys have any questions about how that's been done, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.